nature. And if, let me tell you, okay, if you are not really performing at work the way it is supposed to be, in your life also you will not perform, because slowly and steadily the habits which you are including, that completely changes your personality. So if you think like you always need help, somebody else should come and always be with you and stuff like that, let me tell you, subconsciously your mind will become that. Even for your life you will require somebody. And guys, the worst part is, you know something is good for you, still you are not able to do it, and that's a very tough problem to be in. Okay, so chalo guys, now we will be getting started with the pranayam practices for the day. Okay, so ek I will be putting up some soft music, because the pranayams with the flavor of a music, it really gets huge impact everyone. Okay, so chalo, I'll be guiding you, don't worry. ऐसा कुछ अपन rocket science नहीं कर रहे हैं people. Okay, it is something and I want you people to perform it along with me. So keep your laptops away. Okay, and just to keep your hands completely free. We'll be performing some pranayam practice. I know कि many people might be doing it, but let's get a structure and let's make sure that from tomorrow onwards, every single day we perform. Guys, 15 minutes will not be doing any damage, it would be improving and upgrading your life like anything. Okay, so this is how these 15 minutes are going to be. So let me just put up some soft music. The time is already 10:14. Okay,
on the tastiest pizzas, biryani.
yeah, we are in an ad world, guys. Okay, so
Get flat 20%
Le
cashback
bhai.
on your first haircut.
The video will play after the ad. They want to sell us like anything in the current world. Okay, everybody. Okay, so everybody, sit down in the cool, calm position. Okay, keep your legs folded. Keep your legs folded. Take few deep, long breaths. Inhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. While you're exhaling, make a straw kind of opening. All these things work. Okay. So yeah, keep your spine erect, everyone. Keep your palms facing upwards and lie your hands on your laps. You can sit on a chair and do it. That's fine. You can sit on the ground with legs folded. That's fine. Whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, keep your eyes closed for a moment and take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth, as slow and clean as possible. Okay, now one by one we'll be performing all the pranayams. Hugely beneficial, guys. Okay, hugely beneficial. The first one, okay, the first one is called as Bhastrika Pranayam. Some of you might have heard the name, but what exactly it says? Bhastrika Pranayam. Okay, it is highly recommended every single day in the morning, when the morning fresh air. Yeah, we all know fresh air is very important. In the morning fresh air, you have to try to consume as maximum oxygen as possible. Okay, and when you start your day with power, when you start your day with energy, okay, it is said doing Bhastika Pranayam will give your life, your body complete energy to deal with anything in the life. Okay, so it would be charging every single morning. So rather than waking up for a life which is lazy, okay, now maybe some of you people might have just woken up like 9:45, 9:50, 9:55, and then just with a lazily trying to start the day. Guys, let me tell you, the way you start your day is the way you start your life. And if things are in a lazy manner, your life will become that. And I personally believe everybody has a strong power to do something big in life, but it needs energy to be done. Your lifestyle should fix, guys. I'm telling it again. Okay, so that's where every single day in the morning, start your day with energy, with a passion that I want to live a great day today. Because every single day that you don't, you're losing one valuable day of your life, which is a big problem, guys. You need to understand. Okay, yeah. So how does the Bhastika Pranayam work? Simple stuff. You need to keep your hands on your palms facing upwards on your laps. Keep your spine erect. Okay, there are multiple speed patterns to it. Okay, you have to breathe in as deep as possible, fill up the oxygen into your lungs, okay, and then exhale it out with your nose again. Okay, for example, just observe me like this. Nothing but breathe in as deep and fill the oxygen in your entire lungs, and then exhale it out with a push. There are three variants of it. You can do it in a, guys, even educate your family to do this, guys. Not many grown-ups also do it, and you are pretty grown up in yourself, no longer kids, right? So tell it to your parents and all, make them also do it. Huge benefits for everybody, guys. Okay, three patterns for it. The one is the slow pattern, usko nahi karte, we'll do it in a medium pace. How exactly? Try it out, team. Consume oxygen, release oxygen. We are going to perform two sets of it, guys. Okay, so first set is for 25 seconds, then a 10 seconds gap, then a 25 seconds. Like that, set one will be completed. We'll be performing the second set of it as well. Okay, everyone, so now let me get started. I'll be maintaining a timer in my side, okay, so we don't miss out on thing. Yeah, so shall everybody, let's do it, guys. Doing it is going to help you, nothing else. Fine. And nobody is required to make you own your life, guys. You understand, it's simple hai. Okay, chalo, on 3 2 1, you can correct it on the fly while we are going. 3 2 1, let's go, everybody. Palms relax, spine erect. Relax. 25 seconds done. Let's start, guys. Just doing it for 1 minute, you'll find new energy. Let's start on 3 2 1, let's go, team. Very well done, guys. Okay, do it for yourself. I'm already finding 1 minute, in 1 minute I'm finding change in myself. You can find it for yourself if you're really putting your energy into it. Now let's get started with the second set, everybody. On 3 2 1, same thing again, guys. 25 seconds gap, 25 seconds. Let's do it. 3 2 1, let's go. Continue it, guys, continue it. Relax. Okay, relax down. Now the second part of it, guys, will be speeding up our game. Okay, let's do it in a fast paced manner. And guys, already I feel a bit lighter in my head. I'm not sure whether you are able to do that. If you're doing it in the right manner, you'll already feel relaxed. Okay, already I feel relaxed in my heart, relaxed in my mind, relaxed in here in my heart, hand sensation as well. Now the last 20 seconds of this Bhastika pranayam, will be doing it in a fast paced manner. And how is that going to work? Like this. Chalo, let's do it. The final 20 seconds, everyone. On 3 2 1, let's go, team. Relax and easy, everyone. Very nicely done. Now let's move on to the second pranayam, everyone, which is Kapal Bharti. Okay, you might have heard the name itself. Doing it massively will be helping you like anything. Kapal Bharti, how do you do it? Keep your spine erect, keep your palms on your laps. Okay, now you have to focus on much of short bursts of exhale, and when you exhale you need to contract your stomach inside. Okay, so yeah, this is how it works, guys. Inhale happens as a reaction to your exhale, so focus much on your exhale part. Short bursts of exhale, when you're exhaling your stomach contracts inside. Okay, we'll do it for like 20 seconds. Try to as maximum pressurize your stomach as possible. Your digestion and a lot of problems will be sorted with it. Doing consistently, not one time. One time miracles doesn't happen, guys. Sorry for saying that. You need to do it over a period of time, and then in 2 months you'll find a difference. Yeah. Why many people stop gym? Because they don't see difference in a week. They see difference in maybe a quarter or like 2 quarters. That's what it is about. Okay, so chalo everyone, let's get started with the Kapal Bharti. And while we are doing Kapal Bharti, I just want to tell you one small simple thing, guys. In your life, if you follow some hand mudras, there are a lot of neural connections. The neural connections brain mein hote. There are a lot of nerve connections in your palms which connects to your entire body. I just want you to hold a prana mudra. If you people are aware of it, fine. If not aware of it, theory ko let's keep it aside. Just keep your hand like this, just touch it like this. Okay, small finger and the ring finger touch it to your thumb, and the remaining two fingers like this. So rather than just keeping your hands like this while performing these pranayams, hold a mudra. And this is having a lot of scientific things behind it as well. You can google it out, figure it out. So just keep it all in the like this position. And yeah, we already know it. Short outbursts of exhale, and you have to contract your stomach inside. Use benefits. Let's do it again. 2 minutes, guys. 20 seconds, then some gap, then 20 seconds. Like that, we'll be performing 2 sets of it. On 3, 2, 1, let's go, team. Relax. Let's take a breather for 10 seconds and we'll be getting started again. Yep, on 3, 2, 1, let's go again. Relax down. Let's take a gap. Let's become prepared for the second set. बेच के छोड़ेगा guys ये. Okay. Let's start everybody with the second set on 3, 2, 1. Let's go, team. If you're feeling some muscles contracting because you're doing it for the first time, so take a gap. Okay, relax down your muscles, run your hands through it. Okay, don't you need to start. That's why it is, guys. Your body is not habituated to all this. All these are inner organ strengthening things. Okay, fine. So this is what was the Kapal Bharti, and guys, daily doing it is going to help you like anything. Okay, so fine, 2 pranayams done. The third pranayam, you might already be heard about the name, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Okay, guys, massively advantage for your brain. Okay, your brain consists of two basically halves, right? The right and the left. Every half does a different kind of work. Somewhere memory, creativity, knowledge level, innovation, ideas, imagination, that kind of power is there. Dealing with stress things in life, focus, concentration, dedication, that power is there, guys. It is already equipped in you. Okay, slowly and steadily you are damaging your brain on this journey by not really practicing these things in life. And guys, doing these kind of things, you will be so much in your focus, so much in your control. So how exactly we do Anulom Vilom Pranayam? Okay, so you have to use the 2 fingers. your thumb and your ring finger. Okay, the ring finger, the one which is to the next of this one. Okay, you need to block one side of your nose, inhale from the other side, make it strong, make it deep. The oxygen directly goes into the right part of your brain, and then with your other, with the ring finger, block the, and then exhale from the other nose, and then consume it back again from the other one. It goes to this half of the brain and then block that and release from the other side. Simple stuff. Both your brain will be getting the desired oxygen, and it is very much required for being fresh and active and alive. Okay, don't be dull, don't be lazy in life. There is huge future for you. Point is, you need to live your life on your terms, guys. Okay, no longer laziness, guys. Okay, chalo. So we'll do it for like what, 1 minute in a go today, but generally again recommended 2 minutes in a shot. Okay, 1 minute karte on 3, 2, 1. Let's go, team. Relax. Yes, we did it for 1 minute. Yeah, very good, guys. Very beautifully done. Nice. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, guys. Okay, and this is called as diaphragmatic breathing. You'll be like, ठीक है, अभी तो pranayam pranayam चल रहा था, अभी scientific कहाँ से आ गया? Right? It is a diaphragmatic breathing. Okay, hugely beneficial. Okay, the first pranayams which we consumed, it was more about like consuming more of oxygen inside your body. Okay, the diaphragmatic breathing, it teaches your lungs to survive in low oxygen nature. Okay, and right now in corona situation, this is really going to be stronger for your lungs. Okay, you are teaching it, okay, even less oxygen but still survival mode. Okay, and if you're going for hill stations and all where there is less of breath, immediately it will have impact on your oxygen. You might have done that travel when you go on high altitudes, right? Less oxygen supply, your brain actually gets massively attacked with that. Point is, doing this thing is going to be beneficial. Okay, so how do you do it, everyone? Simple stuff. Okay, just perform it along with me. Some doctor recommended this. Okay, so one hand on your chest, another hand on your stomach. Okay, breathe in from your nose, and when you're breathing in, expand your stomach, and when you're breathing out, breathe out from your mouth with a straw kind of opening. And when you're breathing out with the hand which is on your stomach, you have to press your muscles inside. Okay, and make sure if the breathe in is like 2 seconds, the breathe out is supposed to be like 5 seconds, 6 seconds, somewhat more than that. Okay, so chalo, this is how we are supposed to do it. We'll do continuously 1 minute in one shot on 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Relax. Guys, we have completed 4 pranayams. Yeah? The Bhastika pranayam, the Kapal Bharti pranayam, the Anulom Vilom pranayam, the diaphragmatic breathing pranayam. Now let's introduce the 5th one as well. Okay, the 5th one is called as purse breathing. Purse is nothing but the way you make your mouth, okay, straw kind of opening, the way you make your mouth and then breathing through that. That's the purse breathing. Okay, what you have to do is, guys, hugely beneficial. Okay, inhale gently, and when you are exhaling, you need to make sure you completely empty your lungs. Okay, completely empty your lungs, make it as slow and as deep as possible, and exhale till the last molecule of carbon dioxide gets outside your lungs. Just that, don't die. And then immediately breathe in back again. Okay, so exhale to that, your lungs will get very strong, everyone. Okay, so let's do it out. And while I exhale, okay, the pace by which my exhale is happening, I'll try to show it, demonstrate with my hand the way I'm doing it, so that you can also align. But make sure it is deep and slow and completely. You have to exhale the entire oxygen, breath out of your body, basically. Okay, chalo, let's start on 3, 2, 1. Let's go. That was one breath, guys. Calm down. Yes, doing it over a period of time will make your lungs so strong, so powerful, that you can fight all these things very easily. Yes. Okay, and already you might be finding some sensation. Now we are going to perform one last pranayam for the day. Okay, one last pranayam for the day, everybody. Okay, it is called as Brahmari pranayam. Okay, what are you supposed to do as part of that? You will already, let me tell you immediately now, if you do it for 1 minute, you'll find a difference in yourself just straight away. This is how impactful these things are. Okay, yeah, how do you do Brahmari pranayam? Okay, you have to keep your eyes closed. First listen it, then we'll be performing it. Keep your eyes closed, keep your spine erect with the 3 fingers. Okay, the bottom 3 fingers, leave your thumb and the index finger outside. With the bottom 3 fingers, you need to put it on your eyes and gently press it gently. Okay, first listen it, then later you can do it. With the 3 fingers gently pressing your eyes, with the one index finger on your forehead. Okay, one index finger on your forehead, and then with your thumb blocking your ears completely. Okay, so this is how it will look like, and with a spine erect. Okay, when you have this position in place, you just have to close your mouth. You just have to do a humming tune, something like this. If you're really into meditation and all those things, you might be knowing there is a frequency for every sound. For the 7 chakras that we have in the body, it has its own frequency. Lam, vam, ram, yam, hum, om, ah, like this, the 7 chakras. Every chakra is having a designated frequency and a sound where your body actually reacts in a proper manner. So doing this humming kind of tone, Okay, when you just do it, the voice is going to circle in your brain. Try to focus in middle of your eyebrows. Okay, when you are doing the humming tune with your eyes closed, and how you are supposed to do it should go something like this. Inhale, hum, hum, yeah, like this. Just do it 5 times. Okay, just do it 5 times, people. I'm going to pause the music here behind. Okay, just do it 5 times, everybody. And once the 5 time is done, keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed and gently put your palms on your laps later on. Okay, chalo, let's start. Everybody on 3, 2, 1, hold the position. 3 fingers on your eyes, one on your forehead, with your thumb blocking your ears. And now let's begin. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your hands on your laps. Just observe the sensation that is happening in your body right now. Your brain might be feeling relaxed. The brain might be feeling difference. Your body is much more in your control now. All of a sudden, doing it for just 1 minute of time gives you the confidence and energy. Yes, I am in control in my life. Every circumstances that comes to me, be it my work, be it my personal life, be it my relations, whatever situation which comes to me in life, I am always in control. I take massive responsibility of every single thing. Your belief about yourself will grow. You as a person will grow. You as a person will evolve. No more complaints, no more excuses, no more shortcomings in life. Because guys, every single day that you live in an excuse, in a complaint, you need to understand you're losing your life. Because the people who change the world, the people who do something massive in their life, these are not the complaining people. These are the people who take responsibility, ownership, and accountability. And that's what you need to have. And this is your core personality, everyone. Your core personality. It is not something which you practice only one time. It is something which you live every time for throughout your 24 hours. Whatever you do, you're massively responsible for it. You're accountable for it. And it is your job to be good in what you do. Because this is one life, one time it is gifted. And wherever you spend it, you need to live it to the fullest. Okay. So many of you guys, you might be like, hey, I don't want it to be in IT industry, or like, I don't really like my job. There might be some people having these kind of things. I want to go away and do something else. But you need to understand, guys, the thoughts, whatever might be running in your mind, polluted thoughts, because of those negative thoughts, you are not able to live your present moment properly. And you can trade off with your future, but you cannot trade off with your present, guys. This time today, 25th of September 2020, is never going to repeat in the entire existence of time. You might say, I don't want to live my present with full of energy, and I want to compromise with my work, I want to compromise with my life. But let me tell you, these 24 hours will never come back again. How do you want to live it? In complaints, in excuses, in waiting for a future which might come 10 years from now, or living it to the fullest right now by loving what you do? By loving what you do. This is what it is. And you might have heard all the great people of the world, they say, be passionate enough to what you do and dedicate your life for the things which you love to do. And guys, if you don't love this, then it is possible to love it. It's possible to take responsibility of your life, appreciate it. Don't compromise on it, guys. Karma is for real. You cheat on your work, life will cheat you. Do you know that fact? You put half efforts, shortcomings at your work, at your life, at anywhere, and the life is going to do that to you. Do you know that fact? So let me tell you, your mindset, your thoughts, your emotions, your beliefs, it is not going to impact anybody else. The most major damage it will do is to your life. And gets back to that thing which Warren Buffett said, life is a gift which is given only once. How do you want to live it? That's what matters the most. Okay, take a deep long breath and exhale. Rub your palms against each other. Roll it over your face and slowly open up your eyes. Okay, team. So this is how every single day you start your day, guys. I know that just these 45 minutes we spend together, many of you might have felt, those who have really performed it along with me and tried to do every single thing along, those people will have experienced something different. And that's what is possible, guys. It is a human nature and you can tweak it the way you want it. Okay, and every single day you have to do it. And for that reason, guys, okay, whether okay, you might be like, okay, it's not possible, I'll do this, I'll do that. I am starting like every single day in the morning. Okay, we will be logging in 9:30 live. This is optional to you, it's completely to your interest. Okay, and guys, nobody in the life can make you successful if you don't want to become. My work is to just guide you, team. Okay, every single day in the morning we will be logging in 9:30 a.m. in the same group. Those who are interested to perform these pranayams live, they can come, we can do it together. And it's not going to be taking more of a time. We'll do it 15 minutes. Okay, today being just one day, I explained it in details, but from tomorrow onwards, 9:30 a.m. sharp, we will be logging in here. All those people who are interested to do it, you can bring your family and all those people along. Let's do it like a community together, and let's become better. Doing this over a period of time will be giving you huge benefits. Okay, we'll be winding it up then by 9:45. You can do whatever, but let me tell you, just this 15 minutes will actually change the entire way you live your rest of the day. More power, more energy, more results. Okay, and more happiness eventually. This is what is going to happen. Fine, team. So thank you all for this time. Now, guys, we will be quickly giving you a break for some time. Okay, and guys, we will be continuing back with the stand up at 11. Yeah, I know that. Okay, it's thoda sa boundary cross ho gaya hai, your stand-ups and work, and you might be like, yeah, people don't do it. Okay, now companies and corporates and all, they don't really encourage. But guys, I understand life to a deeper level, and I know it that if you want to get whatever you want in life, if you want to get results, if you want to get massive efforts putting in all, so that cannot happen if you just tweak it at a professional level. Your personality has to change. And I know it for sure, guys. If you become an upgraded human being, whatever you do, you'll be great at that. So I don't have too much worry about productiveness at work. I need too much worry about how do I upgrade you as a human being. Because if you evolve, everything else will be balanced as part of that. Okay, and that is where it is very important stuff. So guys, tomorrow onwards, I'm saying tomorrow onwards. Yeah, tomorrow kya hai, guys? It's a Saturday. But yes, I'll come on Saturday as well if you guys, because it is live. And when it is life, there is nothing like weekends for that. Okay, why do you want to take a break if something is going to make you successful? So if you are interested, Okay, all those guys only for our team in the same group will be doing it. All those who wants to do it, even if one person is coming, two-person is coming, I'm fine with that, because I know it is going to be useful for me. Now at 11 we would be connecting back. Okay, so lead S group, just continue. Shiva is on leave today. Harish, you along with other guys. Santosh, you just give an update to Venu immediately, how whatever required for the lead C related thing. Join in along with the lead S group, perform that kind of planning out there. Okay, and all the remaining guys, lead C and lead 3 group related, we all will be joining in the lead C group today. Okay, so all so I will be joining in there as well, and there will run a separate stand up for specifically for lead C and the lead 3. Let's pick it up at 11 o'clock. We'll be connecting, so you still have 12 minutes, so just freshen it out and then get going through. I know that the time is going to be valuable. I know you'll change. Okay, thank you everybody. Have a nice day, have a nice and amazing time, and let's meet up in 12 minutes from now. Okay, thank you all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Doing it daily will help, guys. Doing it daily will help, not one time. Thank you all. Bye bye bye.
Thank you, Tausif.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. See you guys.